You're already detailing and already have clients, already have the tools, but you're stuck around that $3,000 to $5,000 a month range. This video is for you. You're not brand new, you're not clueless, but something feels capped. And if you're just getting started and don't have the proof of concept yet, maybe save this video for later. This isn't exactly beginner content. This is the most dangerous stage of a detailing business because you're busy enough to be tired, but not profitable enough to feel safe. Some weeks are full, other weeks are dead. You say yes to jobs you don't even want anymore just to keep the cash moving. And the most frustrating part, you know you're better than guys that are charging more than you. This is not a skill problem, it's a structure problem. When I do calls with detailers, almost every detailer at this level says the same thing. I just need more leads. And that sounds logical, but it's usually wrong because more leads don't fix broken structure. They expose it. That's why people stay stuck at this level for years, even though they're working hard. To solve this problem, I put together a one-page Google Doc called the $10,000 a month bottleneck checklist. And this isn't motivation, it's not therapy, it's a diagnostic. It shows you the single bottleneck actually holding your business back right now. And as we go through this video, I want you to mentally score yourself, or better, pause the video and fill in the checklist as we go. It'll be in the description below. First section on the checklist is offer clarity. And here's the test. When someone lands on your site or messages you, do they instantly understand why your service is worth the price, or do they ask a lot of questions? Clients are confused, price becomes the focus. This isn't a lead problem, that's an offer problem. On the checklist, ask yourself, am I selling outcomes or am I listing tasks? If you check two or fewer boxes here, this is your bottleneck. The next section in this list is pricing. Most detailers at the 3 to 5K a month range are priced like beginners, even though they've outgrown that level. That attracts the wrong clients. Clients who negotiate, clients who push back, and clients who drain your energy. Your price tells the market how to treat you, and on the checklist, ask yourself, do my prices automatically repel cheap clients? If the answer is no, pricing might be the thing that's capping you, not demand. The third section here is lead flow, and this one surprises people. Most detailers think this is the main problem, and it usually isn't. You rely completely on referrals and random inquiries, you're living week to week. But you don't fix lead flow until your offer and pricing are solid. Otherwise, you just get more bad leads with bad jobs that don't pay you enough. On the checklist, ask yourself, do I have at least one predictable lead source? If not, this may be your bottleneck. The last section here is systems. This is the silent killer. Missed calls, late replies, no follow-up, random scheduling, no online booking or appointment reminders. Everything runs through you, growth stops. This isn't about working harder, it's about removing friction. On the checklist, ask yourself, does my business function when I'm busy or offline? If not, systems are the thing that's holding you back. But here's the most important rule. You can only fix one bottleneck at a time. Fixing the wrong one keeps you stuck. Your marketing will not fix your pricing. Pricing won't stick without positioning, and leads won't convert without systems. This is why some detailers scale really fast and others grind for years. You can grab the $10,000 a month bottleneck checklist in the description below. Fill it out honestly. It will show you exactly what's holding your business back right now. And if you're already detailing and want help removing that bottleneck properly, there's also a link to book a consultation call below. This is not for beginners, it's for real operators that are stuck between that $3,000 to $5,000 a month range. We will cover how you currently operate your business, systems, and strategies you use, and we'll create a clear path forward to help you succeed in your detailing business, to hopefully scale to that $10,000 a month range. I also have a community called the Auto Detailing Masterclass. It'll be in the description below. And right now we have a small group of detailers that are implementing these systems and software, website templates, etc. into their business that is included in the program. I've also partnered up with Henry from Rinse Lab. You've probably seen him on TikTok before. And he covers primarily the detailing side of the video trainings, like paint correction, ceramic coating, standard detailing, tools and products. And he also hops on the weekly calls so he can answer any questions you might have. 2025, he was on track to hit around $700,000 at his shop, and I think his best month he did close to $100,000 in 1 month. And he's using the same exact systems that we teach inside the Auto Detailing Masterclass. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the description below. You can also drop a comment if you had any questions regarding your detailing business and some of the bottlenecks you might be experiencing, and I'll help you out there too as soon as I possibly can. Also, like, comment, subscribe. I will be helping you guys out as much as humanly possible. I plan to make a ton more videos like these. I also have a new Instagram and TikTok for you guys to check out too if you're on there. All the links to everything I've mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.